Hey, what is up guys, and welcome to a new video. Today we will discuss how to create and export a good looking high resolution GIF, and all of that for under 10 megabytes to be used mostly on Dribbble. We've always thought of GIFs as those low resolution glitchy animations, but today we are here to try and work against this theory. So if you are a beginner, I'm sure you'll find a lot of value over here, or if you are maybe an advanced designer already, as I'm sharing my workflow with you guys, I'm sure you will find some good best practices here and there. And spoiler alert, it's not safe for web. With this being said, keep on watching. So here I am in Principle. Let's open a project just for the sake of the demonstration. Like for example, this is one of the projects I've been working on, and it goes like that. So yeah, to record the screen, this one we are seeing over here, we simply use this record button. And we are now recording, as you can see, and let's do whatever we want to do for the sake of the prototype. And yeah, then we hit the same button again and we save it as video. Don't rush it and do it as a GIF, but let's keep it as a video and hit export. Save it in whatever location you want. I'd like to call my folder to convert with this caption and save it. This usually takes a little while, but for you guys it will be like right now. And as soon as it's done exporting, we are brought to the folder, and now we have an MP4. Let's preview it just to make sure. And so yeah, everything looks just as it should be, and let's move forward. In Photoshop, open the video we have just rendered. So let's put it inside any mockup we design. Ended up doing this design. Please note that this is not a Photoshop tutorial, so if you are interested in that specific part or how to create this layout, please do let me know, and I will be happy to do a tutorial about it as well. Make sure that you are under 1600 by 1200. And now comes the important part, that we will export it as a video and not save it for web as we tend to usually do. So go to File, Exportation, and Render Video. I'm sorry by the way that this is in French, but for you it's really like render video over here, so hit this one. You don't really need to change anything around here apart from the location if you're interested in exporting it somewhere else, and hit render. And after the render is complete, we end up with this video that we need to convert to a GIF right now. So let's go to our browser and type mp4 to GIF converter and go to any one of those. I happen to use this one personally, so let's just upload the video we have just exported and hit convert. Once the conversion is complete and we've downloaded the file, we end up with this. Now one thing is remaining. We are playing with around 15.5, and Dribbble only allows 10 and below. So if your GIF happens to be below 10 directly from the conversion, you are one of the lucky ones. If not, we need to move to the next step, which is GIF optimization. On your browser again, go ahead and type GIF optimizer and select one of those. I tend to use this one for optimizing, and same thing as before, go to the GIF you have just exported, the GIF that is above 10 megabytes, and upload it. Once it is uploaded, we are brought to this page, and we have a lot of options over here. The most interesting ones are the lossy GIF, this one. The one I happen to use is first this one, remove duplicate frames, and this one tends to remove all the frames from any idle situation, hence the optimization. So try this one first and check your file size. If you are below 10 megabytes, you are good to go. If not, do the process again with the new optimized file that you removed the frames from and try to use this one. So try to use this one, hit optimize GIF again and see what is your new file size. Mine happens to be 9.1, which is perfect for our situation, and we are good to go to upload it on Dribbble. And at this point you are maybe wondering why doing that instead of directly saving it for web on Photoshop. Well, simply save for web doesn't offer a good quality size ratio and tend to crash or be really slow on high resolutions, even on high specs computers. So thank you very much guys for sticking until the end. I hope you found some value on this one. Make sure to give it a like if you learned one or two things from it, and until the next one, bye bye.